Yes, Bete. So today we are going to start with the composition part. So today it is paragraph writing, right? So we are going to discuss about that. You all will give me responses. Okay. So first of all, you tell me what is the concept for PT3. Physically, you can raise your hands. Physically, you can raise your hands. Who will tell me what is the concept for PT3? Concept for PT3 for paragraph writing. Who will tell me about that? Quickly, quickly. Concept of paragraph. Yes, Sargun. Sargun.
Mixture of present tense and past tense.
Is it concept of PT3?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Manjot.
Concept of visit, scenes and places.
Yes, Sargun. Is it right? Yes. Beta, that was told to you that you can write either in present tense or in past tense. It depends that how do you start your composition. Okay. So the concept is, it is concept of visits, scenes and places. Okay. So already we have done a paragraph that is scene at bus stand where you described a scene. Okay. Now it is Jay Khatri beta, sit at one place. So now, today we will start with visits. Okay. So we will start with the paragraph that is visit to a village. Visit to a village. See, you all are familiar with village. आप सबने village देखा हुआ है. सबने देखा हुआ ना? कभी नहीं भी गए तो आपने movies में, serials में, somewhere you have seen that. तो अब आपने you are to write a paragraph about visit to a village. Ab, the main point is who will tell me that what should be the first thing when we are to start our paragraph. Yes, Yuvraj. Yuvraj beta, जब हम ये पैराग्राफ लिखना शुरू करेंगे विजिट टू अ विलेज, हमारी सबसे पहली चीज क्या होगी? सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिखना है? These are the main points which were told to you in your last lecture when we did that paragraph writing. हाँ जी, जल्दी से बेटा बताइए, जल्दी से बताइए. जब हमने ये पैराग्राफ लिखना शुरू करना है तो सबसे पहली चीज हम क्या करेंगे? क्या लिखेंगे सबसे पहले? बेटा क्विकली, when you are told to give answer, either you say कि मैम I don't know answer, okay? Because we have limited time, bete. Yes, bete.
Go to a village.
What is the first thing that we are to write? Yes, Manpreet will tell me. Okay, mute yourself. Manpreet will tell me. Manpreet जल्दी से बताइए बेटे. जब भी हमने कोई पैराग्राफ लिखना शुरू करना है, सबसे पहली चीज हम क्या करते हैं? फटाफट, within this limited time we are to write a paragraph. हाँ जी बेटे, मनप्रीत बोलिए जल्दी से. Very good, very good, very good. Try it, try it. मनप्रीत बोलिए बेटे, अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को, बोलिए. ओके बेटा, जब एक को क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है ना तो बाकी सब भी सोचना शुरू कर दिया करो उसके बारे में. इट इज नॉट देयर कि जब आपको बोला जाए देन यू विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग. ओके, यस, जसम विल टेल मी. हाँ जी बेटे.
Ma'am, last week I went to a village. My grandparents live here. We
ओके
and ma'am, yes.
ओके, गुड. यस, एनीबॉडी एल्स? हाँ जी, गोविंद.
And people of villages are hardworking.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस जिस लाइन से आप लिखना शुरू कर रहे हो वो क्या है? मैंने आपको बताया था जब हमने पैराग्राफ राइटिंग की बात की थी, मैंने सबसे पहले क्या कहा था? पैराग्राफ राइटिंग जब हमने शुरू करी, सबसे पहली चीज क्या होनी चाहिए?
Introduction.
यस, इंट्रोडक्शन आपने देनी है. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन विलेज. तो आप विलेज से रिलेटेड कोई भी इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए एक दो लाइंस दे सकते हो. सो व्हाट विल बी दोज टू लाइंस? आज मैंने कुछ नहीं बताना, आप अपने आंसर्स दोगे. वेरी गुड. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी हेल्दी डिस्कशन. वेरी नाइस. and I don't want anybody to be Jane. I hope you understand who is Jane. याद है ना सबको Jane कौन है? So this is class discussion, right? Okay बेटे, हाँ जी बेटे. Yes जयविश बताइए. जयविश बताइए. Yes जयविश, unmute yourself बेटे. हाँ जी बोलिए. Yes बेटे बोलिए.
Ma'am, village is a small place in which few people live.
Okay. Okay.
There are some kacha houses in a village.
Okay. Right. Very good. See, when one student is giving answer, others can get some idea. You can mold the sentences. You can think about that also. That is why we are discussing the things. Okay, Javish. Good, good, good. Good, bete. Yes. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, next. Who will try? Manjot. Yes, Manjot. Yes, Manjot. Try it, try it. Yes, quickly. Manjot, quickly.
In villages, people live a healthy life and they live happily with their family and friends and work together with each other.
Okay, this is introduction. Then after that, how will you start? Next thing was using WH words. We are to frame a proper paragraph. Now you will tell me, what will you tell? Why, how and when. Right? अब आपने इंट्रोडक्शन दे दी विलेज की, उसके बाद में यू विल टेल मी कि आप वहां क्यों गए, कब गए, कैसे गए. Right? Okay, mute yourself. Next, who will tell me? Yes, it is, yes, Sargun. Yes, Sargun. Next.
Last week, I went to my grandparents' house.
Okay. But you did not mention about village. Here you are to mention about village. I went to meet my grandparents who live in a village. Then you will tell the name of the village also. Okay. They live in any village. Okay. So
The
after that.
village is Santesia.
Okay. Right. Okay. Now next. Keep on thinking. Don't be blank. Keep on thinking. Next. What will be next? Yes. Quickly. You went there to meet them. Then how did you go there? When did you go there? Who will give me answer about that? Yes, Avni. Yes, bete. Bete, I am not able to listen you, bache. No voice from your side, beta. No voice from your side, bache. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, beta. No voice from your side. Maybe there is some problem. Okay.
May I?
Yes. Okay. हाँ जी जल्दी से बोलिए बेटा.
Ma'am, we went there in a car.
Okay. When you give answer, don't speak only one sentence. Think about the sentences, not only one sentence. It is not that you have thought about only one sentence. Yes. Yes, Jacqueline.
In the car we went there.
Anmol, mute yourself, bete. Anmol, mute yourself. हाँ जी, Jacqueline, जल्दी से बताइए. Jacqueline. Yes, Jacqueline, जल्दी से बताइए. बेटे तो आप कैसे सीखोगे if सब कुछ मैं ही बताऊंगी तो. Jacqueline, unmute yourself and then give answer.
Ma'am, I went there with my family.
Okay, with my parents.
With my parents.
Okay. How did you go there?
We went there by car.
Okay. And when did you go there? When did you go there?
Ma'am, last week we went
Last
there.
week, you can tell about the time also. You started in the morning or in the evening, and after that, kitna time laga? How much time did it take to reach there? Okay. Yes, yes. जय खत्री, बोलिए जल्दी से. जय खत्री, जल्दी से बोलिए. हाँ जी, जय खत्री. जय खत्री, are you listening? No, he is not listening. Very good. जब सुन ही नहीं रहा बेटा, फिर क्लास का क्या फायदा आपको? हाँ जी. Yes, Parisha.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes, Parisha. Parisha, give answer.
It took us 1 hour to. It took us 1 hour to
Reach there.
go to the reach there.
Okay.
When we entered the village, I saw tractors, crops, and many farmers working in their field.
Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice. Next. इसके बाद में क्या? इसके बाद में क्या? Yes, युविता, बेटा please don't interrupt like this. हाँ जी युविता, बताइए.
When we reached there, we saw many farmers working on their land, and they are growing.
They are नहीं बेटा, we are talking about past. They were. हाँ जी.
They were growing their vegetables and fruits. We
Okay.
also saw our uncle working there.
Okay.
After
Yes, yes.
he come to us and
He came to us. Beta, we are talking about past. He came to us and met us all. Okay, okay. Next. Okay, mute yourself. Next, Javish.
Ma'am, it was a clean and peaceful place.
Okay.
I also made few friends there.
Okay. Right. Or yes.
I played a lot in my uncle's field.
Okay. Okay.
I also helped my uncle in his work.
Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, mute yourself. बेटे कोई भी पैराग्राफ लिखने के लिए you are to assume yourself. आप सब कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी गांव में गए होंगे, ठीक है? आप जाते हो, हम जाते, सब जाते हैं, चाहे कोई रहता हो नहीं हो, जस्ट एक क्रॉस भी करते हैं कई बार. Sometimes we cross that part of the village also. So you can explain about that also. आप किसी के घर भी जाते हो, आप कितनी देर के लिए वहां पे रहे? You can mention about the. We stayed there for two days. Okay, so you can mention about there was a fair. वहां पे एक मेला था. शाम के टाइम हम मेले में गए. I'm not going to tell you anything in English. शाम के टाइम हम मेले में गए. सब वहां पे हमने देखा कि लोग वो सब इकट्ठे थे. They were enjoying their time. इस तरह से आपने ये सारी चीजें आपने खुद बतानी है, तभी आपका एक पैराग्राफ बनेगा. ये सब चीजें बेटे आपको अपने आप सोचना है. आप अपने आप को एज्यूम करो. आप ये सोचो कि आप किसी गांव में गए हो और जो आपने किया, आप विजिट मतलब आप वहां गए, आपने जो किया वो बता दो. सिंपल से सेंटेंसेस हैं. देन आल्सो यू आर नॉट गिविंग आंसर बेटे. एंड आई हैव गिवन यू ऑप्शन. लेट इट बी रॉन्ग. गलत होता होने तो बोलो तो सही ना. जय खत्री, खुशनाक एंड मंजोत. हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट हु विल टेल मी. इसके आगे.
मैम कैन आई?
यस. बोलिए, जल्दी से बोलिए बेटे. यस हितेश, यू आस्क्ड मी.
मैम
यस हितेश, गिव आंसर बेटे.
मैम मैम मैं स्टार्टिंग से बोल सकता
No,
हूँ?
no, you are no. It is in continuity. You are to think about other things. मैंने अभी आपको hints दिए हैं.
Can I?
बेटा, will you please stop?
मैम नो मुझे मैम पूरा आता है.
ओके बेटा, यू म्यूट योरसेल्फ बच्चे. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. आप सुनो, ध्यान से सुनो. जो जो बता रहे हैं ना, आप ध्यान से सुनो. म्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे. हितेश, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. हाँ जी, अमे. यस, अमे.
Ma'am, after that we went to their home
Okay.
and they prepared some food for us.
Okay.
We
Okay.
stayed there for 2 hours.
Okay.
After that, we go in the fair in the evening.
We went. We are talking about
We
past.
went,
Yes.
we went in the fair in the evening,
Went
and
to-
there was a huge number of children.
Okay.
We take rides.
Took.
We took rides
Yes. Very nice.
and
Very nice.
enjoyed a lot.
Very nice. Very nice. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Anything else you want to add? Anybody else? Anybody else who wants to add something in it? Is it okay? Are you all happy with this composition? But I am not. I want more from your side. I want more from your side. Yes, Manjot. Yes, Manjot.
My mother told me the stories of the old culture of the villages in which children played in the farms and ate sugarcane and corns, and also played with their friends and took swings under the shades of the trees.
Okay. Okay. Right. Shade of the tree. Okay. Okay, ji. Okay. Yes. Anybody else? Anybody? Anybody else who wants to? Yes, Parisha. What do you want to add here?
I asked my uncle to show me how do you grow crops.
To show me the method of growing crops. Okay. Very good. Okay.
There were many kacha houses.
Okay.
I saw many people.
Yes. What did you see?
Live,
Living in those kacha houses, and they were
Living in
able to manage their life there. Okay. Yes. Yes. Anything else?
They were poor but happy.
Good. Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Anything else? Anything else? Acha, how did you feel? Nobody mentioned about that thing. How did you feel there? Was it something different from your life that you felt there? So how did you feel? You are to tell about your feeling also. How did you feel there? Were you happy there, or were you sad that you were missing your culture of cities? And means, were you feeling peaceful, or were you restless there? So this thing also you can mention. Can anybody give me answer about this thing?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Beta, please.
Can I?
Please, beta, please. This is not the right way. It is, and the thing is, may I, not can I. When you're seeking permission, it should be may I. Right? Okay, Jasam. Okay, Jasam. Yes.
Ma'am, it is a different culture from our city, and we also went to a fair. There was a very
Fear has already been mentioned. Okay, I'm talking about the life there. Did you like that life?
Yes, I like that life, and it is very different. They are very hardworking and helpful.
Okay.
And
See, here you are to mention that I felt very peaceful there. It was a peaceful atmosphere there because there was no pollution. Everything was very much fresh. Right? So this is how you are to mention. बेटा, और जब भी पैराग्राफ लिखना है, you are not to use direct speech. means you are not to write. Then I asked, Mama, may I go to have that right? No. Okay, तो ये चीजों का आपने ध्यान रखना है. You are to be particular. कहाँ पे past tense use होना है, कहाँ पे present tense use होना है. So this is how you are to write a paragraph. Okay, now can you tell me some other paragraph related to visits or scenes? Related. बेटा अभी मैंने बोला है कि it is not can I, it is may I. हाँ जी बेटा. Any other topic related to visits? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Any other? Yes, Jacqueline. Jacqueline, yes. Quickly. Quickly, Jacqueline.
Ma'am, railway station.
Huh?
Ma'am, railway station.
Beta, give me proper heading. I'm not going to ask you only railway station. Visit to a railway station, right? It can be visit to a religious place. Do you know the meaning of religious place? Yeah. Do you know the meaning of religious place? Religious place क्या होती है? जो धार्मिक जगह होती है. Okay. Visit to a historical place. There is difference between religious place and historical place. Historical place में हमारे आते हैं monuments. जैसे ताजमहल है, लाल किला है, India Gate. These are the monuments, right? Okay. These are the historical places. Yes. Yes, bete. Yes, bete.
Ma'am, a visit to a Taj Mahal.
Okay, visit to that is historical place, na? That is historical place. Okay. Yes, Ame.
मैम मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
बेटा wait. हाँ जी बेटे. Yes, Ame.
Ma'am, visit to Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, visit to some other state हो सकता है. Yes. Visit to a hill station हो सकता है. Visit to a bus stand, visit to a nearby market हो सकता है. Visit to a mall हो सकता है. Okay. Similarly, ये सारे scenes भी हो सकते हैं. You can be asked to explain these places also. So this is how you are to write your paragraph. I hope this thing is clear to you. Is it clear? Show me your thumbs up. Is it clear? Will you be able to write a paragraph now? Will you be able to physically you are to show me thumbs up. Will you be able to write paragraph? Very nice. Okay बेटे. हाँ जी बेटा, अब बोलिए.
मैम, जो आपने वो